We've got 490 maintenance accounts. Every one of them has 2 visits per year. That's 980 service calls that need to be scheduled, invoiced, and tracked without dropping anyone. Most shops do this with a spreadsheet and hope. We wanted something better. The Comfort Club is our HVAC membership program. Annual fee, 2 maintenance visits, spring and fall, priority scheduling, and a discount on repairs. It's not a complicated concept. The problem was the back end. Who's up for renewal? Who skipped their fall visit? Who paid last year but hasn't renewed yet? That's where the AI work started. We built a renewal tracking system that pulls membership status from Field Pulse, compares it against a renewal calendar, and flags anyone who's overdue. When someone's within 30 days of expiration, the system generates a renewal notice and logs it as a pending outreach task. The scheduling piece was the harder part. Spring tune-ups need to go out between March and May. Fall tune-ups between September and November. But you can't just blast 490 customers at once. You'll blow out your capacity and have techs running triple shifts while other days sit empty. So we built a pacing layer. The system looks at current job load and Field Pulse, figures out available slots, and spaces outreach to match capacity. When a customer responds, the booking link checks live schedule availability. Same logic we built for the public booking page. The result, every Comfort Club member gets a reminder when it's time, a link to book, and a confirmation when it's scheduled. No coordinator touching it. What does it actually save? Figure 1 admin hour per account per year. At 490 accounts, that's 490 hours. At roughly $25 an hour for that kind of work, that's over $12,000 in labor we just freed up. It also stops the revenue leak. Before this, a certain percentage of members would lapse every year because nobody followed up. Now the system doesn't forget. If they don't respond to the first message, it sends a second. If they still don't respond, it tags them for a phone call. The membership program was always a good idea. We just didn't have the infrastructure to run it properly. Now we do. That's day 30. If you're running a maintenance program on spreadsheets and phone calls, this is what it looks like when you build it right. Subscribe, new episode every weekday.